Awake to the gentle caress of morning light as it bathes the lush forest. Rays sift through emerald leaves, and the soft whispers of the breeze brush against your skin, beckoning you to embrace the serenity of the wild. Step onto a tranquil path where vibrant moss carpets the earth beneath your feet. Each step is cradled in the sigh of ancient trees, their watchful presence guiding you deeper into nature's embrace. Delicate birds flit through the branches, their melodic calls weaving a symphony that echoes within the heart. Each note harmonizes with the distant rustlings of the underbrush, creating an orchestra of life, urging you to pause and listen. A crystal-clear stream emerges, glistening in dappled sunlight. The waters dance over smooth stones, murmuring secrets of the earth to those who pause to hear the wisdom carried by the gentle currents. Clusters of wildflowers sway in the soft breeze, their colors blending like a painter's palette. Each bloom invites you closer, releasing sweet fragrances that awaken the soul and stir the heart into gentle joy. An enchanting glade unfolds before you, a tapestry of soft ferns and playful sunbeams. Here, the air hums with unseen life and endless possibility, inviting you to delve into the mysteries of this sacred space. In quiet harmony, a family of deer grazes, their graceful forms barely stirring the air. They move like shadows through the soft foliage, embodying the forest's spirit, deftly balancing presence and serenity in the heart of nature. As the thick clouds part, soft rays of golden light break free, illuminating the scene with divine radiance. This sacred moment wraps around you, infused with the stillness and peace that only nature can offer. Glistening droplets cling to leaves, catching light like tiny diamonds before surrendering their essence to the parched earth below. Everything is connected, a cycle of giving and receiving, wrapped in nature's gentle embrace. As the sun begins its descent, the forest is painted in warm hues. The symphony of nature crescendos, inviting you to breathe in deeply, feel the unity of all living things, and find your place within this harmonious embrace.